Hello my dear students, I am sure all of you are doing great and all of you are preparing very well for the upcoming Maharashtra CET examination that is likely to be conducted in the month of March. So hardly 45-50 days are left for the Maharashtra CET and it's very high time we should know what should be our strategy in cracking the Maharashtra CET examination. Well, my name is Akash and I am a CAT trainer since last 13 years and I have cracked the CAT examination with 99 plus percentile 8 times. And a lot of my students have cracked the Maharashtra CET and other MBA entrance examinations including the CAT examination. So let's start the discussion. Before we start off with our discussion, I would like you to please subscribe to Unacademy Catalyst YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe, and please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest notification regarding my upcoming courses and the upcoming classes that are going to be conducted on Unacademy Catalyst. Please also do not forget to watch special classes by me on Maharashtra CET and other MBA entrance examinations. So guys, let's get started. So first of all, we'll have an overall outlook of what Maharashtra CET examination is all about. It's an online examination and 15% seats quota is for other than Maharashtra state candidates. Other than Maharashtra state candidates. Total number of questions is 200 and total marks is 200 and the time limit is 150 minutes. And there is no sectional time limit, no sectional cutoff, no negative marking and no GD interviews except for the colleges that provide PGDM program. So the colleges that provide MMS program, there is a cap round that is conducted right after this examination gets over. So this is the overall outlook of Maharashtra CET examination. The pattern of the examination is maths and DI total 50 marks, that means 50 questions, abstract reasoning 25 marks, logical reasoning 75 marks, that means 75 questions, and verbal ability and reading comprehension 50 marks, that means total 50 questions. As you can see guys, logical reasoning and abstract reasoning, that means the reasoning part contains 100 questions out of 200 questions. So 50% weightage is to be given to the reasoning part, logical reasoning parts. As far as maths and DI is concerned, 25 to 30 questions are from maths and the rest are from DI and DS and data comparison wale questions. I hope this slide is absolutely clear. Now, what should be our ideal strategy? If I want to tell you two things about the strategy, Maharashtra CET examination is all about first method and second familiarity. You should know the best method of solving the question. For example, you can solve some allegation question by a traditional method and you could have solved by applying the other approaches like working backwards from the options and putting the random values and so on, right? So what method are you using that ensures that you save time during the examination, right? Maharashtra CET examination, see overall outlook, if we see, अगर हम लोग ओवरऑल देखें तो 150 क्वेश्चंस एंड 150 मिनट्स एंड 200 क्वेश्चंस, राइट? सो 150 divided by 200, that means 4500. 150 divided by 200, that means 3 by 4, that means 45 minutes per question is being given, right? 45 minutes per question is being given, right? So it's very important that you use the best method, best shortcut that you know. And second thing is familiarity. Let me explain. Familiarity means, for example, you know how to solve inequalities, right? But in case, let's say Maharashtra CET examination contains questions on logical inequalities that you do not know, right? Mathematical inequality you can solve, but logical inequality you cannot solve, let's say, right? And you have not seen the question earlier, then you will face a lot of problem in solving such kind of questions. So it's very important that you be familiar with all the varieties of questions, all the variety of questions that are being asked in the MBA entrance examinations or the other one-day examinations like banking and SSC, right? Let's say, take second example. Let's say you have not solved or you have not seen the question on input and output, then how will you be able to manage those, right? So it's very, very important that you be familiar with all the things. Second thing is 50, 60, 70 approach as of now. Today is 15th of January. So 15 plus overall 45, 50 days are left. So what is 50, 60, 70 approach? Guys, I would suggest you to please make sure that you take at least 6 to 7 mock tests on Maharashtra CET. In the first few mock tests, 2 to 3 mock tests, you ensure that you get 50% of the questions correct. 50% of the questions, not percent anything else, right? 50 questions, not 50 questions, 50% of the questions. That means out of 200, you should be able to solve at least 100 questions. That should be your target in the initial 2 to 3 mocks. Then next 15 days, 60% questions, and next 15 days 70% questions, and this 70% will ensure that you get call from the top colleges like JBIMS and Sydenham, right? So this is the overall approach. Now let's see the nitty-gritties of the strategy. Be good at the basics of all the areas of all the subjects. Second, improvise on weak areas. Third, you should be able to maintain a balance between accuracy and speed. Then know all the leading shortcuts. Please make a list of all the leading shortcuts. Focus on mental calculations, squaring, cubing, square roots, cube roots, percentage, etc. Read at least 60 minutes per day. Remember, reading at least 60 minutes per day will not only help you in solving questions based on reading comprehension and verbal ability, but also questions which come in arithmetic part or data interpretation or logical reasoning part, especially the arrangement wale parts. Then revise grammar and vocabulary. Practicing mocks makes perfect. So you'll have to take at least 6 to 7 mocks, and you have to make sure that 50, 60, 70 strategy is put into its place. Now, sources of preparation. Unacademy Catalyst YouTube channel can be one of the sources, very reliable sources of preparation. And then second, Unacademy special free classes. Third, these are the books: R.S. Agarwal, Word Power Made Easy by Norman and Lewis, Wren and Martin. That's a grammar book. Just go through it once. Appear for the free mock test by bank coaching websites or mock test series provided by Unacademy Catalyst. So that's the overall things about preparation strategy. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Follow me on Unacademy. Please do not forget to upvote, rate and review my courses. And in case you are willing to take up the Unacademy Plus subscription, you are most welcome, and you can use akash.yt to get Plus subscription on Unacademy. Thank you so much. Good luck, take care, and best of luck.